Okay, so we have gone into the ocean, and now Isidro is going to explain to you a little bit about this area, the name of the beach, and also what you said about left or right.
Yes. We are in Sopelana Beach. We are exactly in the left beach of Sopelana. That is the left orientation beach, and also the people, the users here, as you can see and distinguish.
It's a kind of wild part of the beach.
This is pure nature, little bit nude beach. So this is clearly identified as left beach. So here
there are many. You can see now they are living, but there are
people that finish the journey surfing here, taking profit of the waves. So enjoying the day and now closing the day. At this beach, we can see also in that direction.
Cool, see?
That it's Santander at the end.
But I have to reach in 2 days, eh?
Yes. And the Queens is just the line of finishing the Basque Country.
Okay.
So moving to the west, that is the end of the Basque Country. And the other side of the Queens start the community of Cantabria, which capital is Santander. And also, after the last mountain, we can guess that is the city of Santander.
Okay, so we are in this, repeat the name of this beautiful beach.
It's called Salvaje. It's the Salvaje, that means in English wild, the wild beach, because Sopelana have 2 beaches and this is the wild.
Okay, so we have understood now everything. Before we have seen 2 that they were doing parapendio, no?
Yes, parapente.
Okay,
and also the people that are living the beach on that side, that it's climbing the hill to the small green side over there. So pure nature.
Exactly. And before, when we were coming down, many surfers, they were walking up with their boarders, right?
Right.
So, okay. Thank you, Isidro, for this to let me have proved the water that was not cold.
Not cold.
The power of the wave was really tough, and I had fun. So, ready for dinner. Yoo-hoo! Ciao.